Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay payment. And in today's video, I will show you on how to activate your Alipay payment code for contactless and easy payment with Alipay to any merchant. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Alipay. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on scan. The next thing you need to do is to click on pay. That's going to take you right here. Now you have activate payment code right here. What you need to do is to read the instruction. You don't have this feature activated. By activating, you can now show merchant to pay. Refresh automatically. Expire after each use. That is for scan to pay. Pay out guarantee. What you need to do is to simply click on activate now. Then right here, you will be asked to enter your payment password. Just like so. Now you have your Alipay vendor pay QR code. Then after a successful activate your Alipay payment code, next thing you can do is simply click on balance right here and set your default payment. So here you will have two options. You can either pay from your balance or pay from your bank card. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to activate your Alipay payment code without any stress. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Alipay, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.